Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to transform your closet into a summer capsule wardrobe. Let's dive in. In today's video, we'll walk you through creating a stylish, functional summer capsule wardrobe. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what a capsule wardrobe is. A capsule wardrobe is a collection of essential clothing items that don't go out of fashion and can be mixed and matched to create various outfits. For summer, this means light, breathable, and versatile pieces. Assess your current wardrobe. Step 1 is to assess your current wardrobe. Go through your clothes and pull out all the summer appropriate items. Separate them into 3 categories: keep, donate, and store for another season. Focus on keeping pieces that you love, that fit well, and that can be mixed and matched easily. Choose a color palette. Step 2 is to choose a color palette. Stick to a few core colors that complement each other and suit your style. Neutrals like white, beige, and navy are great for versatility, and you can add a couple of accent colors to keep things lively. Essential tops. Visual the presenter showcasing various tops. Now let's talk about essential tops. You'll need a mix of casual and slightly dressier options. Think tank tops, t-shirts, blouses, and lightweight sweaters. Aim for about 5 to 7 tops that you can rotate throughout the season. Versatile bottoms. Next we have versatile bottoms. For summer, go for shorts, skirts, and a couple of pairs of lightweight pants. Choose styles that can be dressed up or down, like denim shorts, flowy skirts, and linen trousers. Dresses and jumpsuits. Dresses and jumpsuits are perfect for summer as they are one-piece wonders. Include a few casual dresses, a maxi dress for more formal occasions, and a jumpsuit that can transition from day to night. Outerwear. Even in summer, you'll need some light outerwear for cooler evenings. A denim jacket, a light cardigan, and a versatile blazer are great options to have on hand. Footwear. Footwear is crucial. Opt for a few pairs of shoes that cover different activities: sandals for the beach, sneakers for casual outings, and a pair of dressier flats or wedges for more formal occasions. Accessories. Lastly, don't forget your accessories. A sun hat, a few pieces of jewelry, a versatile bag, and sunglasses can add personality to your outfits and keep you prepared for any summer activity. And there you have it, a perfectly curated summer capsule wardrobe. By focusing on quality over quantity and choosing versatile pieces, you can enjoy a stylish and stress-free summer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our next fashion tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous summer.